Hi, my name's Nicole and I'm part of the client engagement team here at Encore Business Solutions. And today I'm here to talk to you about an exciting event that we have coming to you called Encore Elevate. At Encore Elevate, you're going to have tons of opportunities to network with your consultants and peers, participate in hands-on training, and learn about tons of new products that Microsoft is offering. The best part about this all-day event is that the cost is equivalent to 1 hour with a consultant. Attendees will have the opportunity to learn tons of information regarding their current systems, as well as any extending solutions that could be available to them. Come join us at Encore Elevate to get some credits. The awesome thing about these events is that you can really, get out of the office environment and really dig deep into all these solutions that you use every single day. What I really love about these events is that it really gives us a chance to put faces to names and meet everybody in person. It gives us a better opportunity to get to know you as a person and of course your business goals and aspirations. So head to our website and find out which is nearest you.